Okay, 2004 Honda Civic. What happened was I was trying to separate this from this guy and had the other wheel on the ground, and I had my three-armed puller pusher, whatever, and I was turning it, and all of a sudden I heard a pop, and usually you can turn it this way and this way a little bit, you have a little bit of play, and it stops, you can't, whatever, but it kept turning, and it kept turning. I was like, oh, something happened. So, if you look at that boot, obviously something happened back here. And this is a transmission here. That's where the driver's side comes in. I don't know if you can see that. But that's my problem. Not quite sure what I'm gonna do yet. We're gonna diagnose it and find out what's wrong.